Determine the acceleration of the car in stage 2. Stage 2 of what we have here is a speed time graph. And what do we know about the acceleration of a speed time graph? Acceleration on a velocity time graph is the gradient. Use 2 points through which the line depicting stage 2 passes and the formula for gradient of a line. We need to determine the acceleration. The acceleration will be the gradient of the graph in the required region. We therefore need to find the gradient in stage 2. In order to do that, we will have the formula for gradient. That is what we will use to determine the gradient, but not without the coordinates of 2 points that are in stage 2. We will have 2 points in stage 2. The first one we have right there, and we are taking a look at its coordinates. Let's go. This is our first point. The x value is 16. The y value is 12. The second point, 32, 12. And we have the formula for gradient right here. Label the points for clarity. That is, we have these 2 points. We may use any one of them as x1, y1 or x2, y2. It doesn't matter. As long as we are consistent and we use the formula as prescribed, we are sure to get the correct answer. But we will do that when we are making the substitution, it is going to be quite straightforward. Let's go. Make the substitution. y2 minus y1. That's y2. That is y1. And all of that is over x2 minus x1. x2, x1. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0, and 32 minus 16 is equal to 16. No further calculation is needed since the numerator is 0, and 0 divided by any number is equal to 0 as long as it's not dividing by 0. The numerator will be 0 and we'll be dividing by 16. The result will therefore be 0, which is what we determined on our previous audiovisual. It is all well and good to say that the gradient of a horizontal line is equal to 0, but it is another thing to show that it is actually 0. It's a horizontal line. It represents a region in which the acceleration is equal to 0. 0 meter per second squared.
Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.